Okay, today we're talking about replacing an emergency exit sign. So here's the old sign that's being replaced. First step, you need to find the circuit breaker that provides power to this emergency exit sign. And then you undo the two mounting screws and it drops down from the junction box in the ceiling, and you'll disconnect your wires and the old exit sign will come down. Woo! Here's a look at the new exit sign and the instructions. The new one has LEDs. Comes with wire nuts. So you'll attach the base to the sign with the provided hardware. You'll then fish the hot wire, the neutral wire, and the green ground wire through the base and attach it to the wires in the junction box. Using the two screws provided, you'll then attach the base to the junction box, to that metal plate. Something to note, some of these emergency exit signs have a separate hot wire if you're operating it on 120 volts, and a completely different hot wire if you're operating it on 277 volts. Or some of the signs, it doesn't matter what the input voltage is, it'll operate on one hot wire from 120 to 277 volts. So just keep that in mind. And not all emergency exit signs have a battery backup. Some do, some don't. This one actually does not. And usually the battery, the little small lithium ion battery backup will be inside this compartment here. But as you can see, this one does not have that battery backup. So there's the finished product installed. Woo! Now, here's how you test an emergency exit sign. You push the red test button. And you see it lights up, blinks, lets me know that the backup battery is still good. If you push that test button and the exit sign does not light up and stays dark, that would mean your backup battery needs to be replaced. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.